Most traders clutter their chart with tons of indicators, realizing years later they skipped the number one step, price action. Today we're going to push all that noise to the side and get straight into one of the most powerful bullish candlestick patterns in the market. Now this pattern today is quick, spontaneous, and one of the most dramatic in the stock market due to the effect of strong sellers to quick buyers. The trend flipped just like that. The bullish kicker pattern. The psychology, strong sellers pressing it underwater, pressing price down, but the buyers blast afloat, putting themselves right into the driver's seat.
First, we have a candle with bearish control. This shows that the sellers are in control. We have a stronger seller-dominated day. And the next day, we see a strong gap up. And to instill that gap up, you see a strong bullish candle pushing up and closing in a healthy position. This shows that the buyers have taken over. It signals a sharp sentiment on the reversal. And it indicates that there may be some strong institutional participation given the strong gap up as well as the follow-through. And often you see something like this, a quick shift in price action. These can lead to some very powerful movements to the upside, being a strong bullish reversal pattern in technical analysis.
Marble stock's been consolidating here, guys, with no clear control, going up, going down, but ultimately going right back where it started, not moving much. We then see an earnings beat, boom, price gaps up. Strong movement up here, you're starting to get back towards the top of this resistance, of this 6-month consolidation, looking pretty good for the buyers here. From that good news, from this earnings gap up, looking to head higher, and then boom, that large pullback. It's definitely not what the buyers wanted at all, and probably one of the worst sequence of events you could see. But then come the next day, the buyers completely flip that on its head. Now this is a rare candlestick pattern for a reason. You're not going to see this sequence happen too often, but very obviously you see that seller pressure, very dramatic, trying to push it underwater, then the buyers blast afloat, taking full control. Then after that was a huge short squeeze, rallying all the way up from $90, soaring.
With any pattern, you must know where it works best. Confluence is king. For the bullish kicker, it's much more sustainable on higher time frame charts than say the hourly or charts lower time frame. Right, you see a strong bullish kicker on the daily chart per se, you'll be seeing a more reliable pattern that is much more likely to go ahead and lead to those strong movements. Now, a lot of times you see these big gap ups and follow throughs. It could be an indicator that there was some major news or event that had gone on with the stock. And of course, strong volume confirmation with this movement is a nice indicator that more investors are taking eye to the stock, leading to a more sustained long-term movement. So the bullish kicker works best where sellers are exhausted and buyers step in with strength, conviction, and confidence.
The bullish kicker, although just a 2 candlestick pattern, it's very rare. You're not going to see a euphoric gap and go after a relatively good seller day, especially when paired in context to certain stocks that are on a trajectory to go a lot lower. This is a pattern that appears spontaneously in bottom stocks almost instantaneously. So you get sellers in control, very much surprised, getting out of their position to short squeeze, and buyers looking to quickly get in with that euphoria, bringing fear of missing out. So it really touches on all sides of the buyer and seller psychology, and it absolutely favors the buyer.
Moving to our next example, you can see that stock price was a bit choppy, right? No desired direction until you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 selling days in a row. The sellers are now picking up a lot of steam here. We do see that they are gaining that control, seemingly ready to really tear stock price down. Then we see a strong gap up and an even stronger, very confident green bullish kicker candle closing, showing that the buyers are now shifting the trend. With those 6 days, we nearly close at the top of that first red candle, making up nearly 6 days in one trading day. And with this bullish kicker pattern, you can see that we had continued very nicely on a nice long-term trajectory.
Nvidia stock's been one of the top investor stocks to hold over the last few years. We see stock make that very, very large movement up here before ultimately pulling sideways in this bull flag consolidation. The price action finally closes over that with a clean weekly breakout over this multiple year pattern. See a really nice week to follow that, nice follow through, then boom, price has that very large pullback. We come right back towards the top of that bull flag resistance, showing some weakness here. We have multiple red candles in a row, then boom, come the next day, you see that clean follow through, going green to red, right back at that level. Then quickly after the follow was boom, a really nice movement of 20% in just 2 weeks. That's why the bullish kicker is an important sign in charting, guys. We've gone over a very rare candlestick pattern. It does not come all the time. When it comes at the right stock, on the right time, at the right place, this is one of the most powerful, if not the most powerful, 2 candlestick pattern you can see. If you guys find value, drop a like and a sub. We'll be filling out this playlist about 1 time per week. Subscribe to my trading partner Ian. Thank you guys for tuning in. Until the next one, as always, peace.